Ever get an AI decision like approve, deny, high risk with no explanation? AI helps with hiring loans, healthcare, education, fraud checks, but black box decisions are hard to trust and hard to challenge. That's where Explainable AI, or XAI, comes in. XAI helps humans understand why a model gave an output and whether we should accept it. XAI answers questions like, why this prediction? What factors mattered most? How confident is it? And what would change the result? Explainability isn't just nice to have. It supports trust, accountability, debugging, bias detection, and safer human oversight. 3 easy ways to think about XAI: global versus local. What drives decisions overall versus why this case? Model level versus prediction level. And intrinsic versus post hoc explanations. Common techniques include feature importance, what mattered most, example-based explanations, cases like this, and counterfactuals. What's the smallest change to flip the outcome? Add confidence labels to high confidence can proceed, medium gets review, low should escalate or request more info. But be careful, explanations can sound convincing and still be misleading, especially post hoc ones. And too much detail can leak sensitive data or let people game the system. Rule of thumb: the bigger the impact, the stronger the explanation needs to be, especially for eligibility, pricing, hiring, safety, or appeal rights. Use an AI decision note, so decisions are reviewable. What the system does, what data it uses, what explanation users see, confidence actions, limitations, fairness checks, monitoring, and escalation. XAI builds trust by making AI decisions understandable, challengeable, and safer with humans still responsible.